If I get couple of hours of time during the sunrise or the sunset, what do I do? Hey, welcome back. It's Sumoy again. It's too windy today. तो आज बेसिकली मुझे 2-2.5 घंटे के लिए टाइम मिले हैं जस्ट बिफोर द सनसेट एंड आई थॉट ऑफ कमिंग आउट इन दिस मानसून सीजन. काफ़ी बारिश हो रहा है एक्चुअली. अब ये मत सोचना कि दिस गाय हैज़ गॉन मैड. बेसिकली दिस गाय इज़ गोइंग टू कवर द वेस्टर्न घाट्स इन मानसून सीरीज एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट रेन. तो रेन तो होने वाला ही है यहाँ पे. फिर भी हम लोग कहीं पे जाते हैं तो पूरे उम्मीद के साथ जाते हैं. तो देखते हैं आज हम लोग जाते हैं भोर तालुका पे. It's around 190 kilometers from Mumbai and around 70 kilometers from Pune city. We will straight go ahead and head towards Bhor and see what else we find over there. Hey, still I am driving through this Mumbai-Pune-Bengaluru National Highway 48 towards Bhor region. और ये जो ब्यूटीफुल नज़ारे हमें सामने देखने को मिल रहा है, this is what I always refer to. I can't even see the roads, and at the backdrop, the Western Ghats are fully covered with rain clouds, and quite a lot of rains are happening today. So at this point, I took the service road from the National Highway 48 and taking the right turn, and this road is actually going towards Bhor.
Continue on Bhor Hall Road for 6 kilometers.
Road is quite beautiful and I'm passing through this Bhor Kapur Hall Road. So as I was mentioning कि मुझे actually आज भोर में 2 लोकेशन कवर करने का प्लान था. One is this Necklace Point, another is that Bhatgarh Dam backwater area. So we basically came through this road and we are about to head towards Bhatgarh Dam backwater area. तो ये जो डैम है बेसिकली दिस डैम इज़ कॉल्ड द भाटगढ़ डैम एंड ऑल्सो दिस डैम इज़ कॉल्ड लाइक द लॉयड्स डैम. It's almost 100 years old, constructed on the concept of gravity dam. अंदर एक्चुअली जाने का परमिशन नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स क्वाइट ओल्ड डैम इन दिस लोकेशन एंड ओनली द लोकल गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज़ आर अलाउड टू गो इनसाइड. पर मुझे एक्चुअली लकीली थोड़ा यहाँ से अंदर का शूट करने का मौका मिला. तो अभी फ़िलहाल थोड़ी देर के लिए बारिश रुकी है एंड सन हैज़ आल्सो कम आउट. सो लेट्स गो एंड हेड टुवर्ड्स बैकवाटर एंड सी व्हाट एल्स आई कैन फाइंड ओवर दैट एरिया. सो यस, आई जस्ट स्टॉप्ड एट द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द भाटगढ़ डैम लोकेशन एंड राइट नाउ आई एम हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स भाटगढ़ डैम बैकवाटर एरिया. Hi, so just before reaching Bhatgarh Dam backwater area, I just stopped for once again. तो मेरे पीछे एक्चुअली बेहतरीन नज़ारे यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है. The Bhatgarh Dam wall, that's a long wall actually. It's a gravity dam. So the gravity dam is a kind of thing like where one wall of the dam is always standing on another to hold the pressure of the entire water body. तो आइए थोड़ा चल के देखते हैं यहाँ पे आसपास के नज़ारे. तो इस तरफ एक्चुअली हमें अभी जाना है भाटघाट डैम बैकवाटर एरिया की तरफ। सो भाटघाट डैम बैकवाटर तो पहुंच गए हैं, बट ऑन द वे I did stop and I did shoot some locations. So just have a glance and then probably we'll start exploring this beautiful backwater area. So finally I have reached that Bhatgarh Dam backwater area. So I'm just parking my vehicle in this small parking area, so you can bring along your car, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, whatever you feel convenient. तो इस तरफ मेरे साइड में आपको दिखेंगे कि भाटघाट डैम बैकवाटर। So let me take that backpack which I am carrying along with my rain jackets and tripods and everything. Yeah, head towards the backwater dam area. Kafi slippery pathways, so we need to be careful because it's raining season. I am here. Yes, so finally I am coming to my destination. So पीछे आपको दिख रहा है actually that side we had the parking area and we took this rough pathway to come to this bottom of the place. So in front of me the backwater. Yes, so I am at the backwater of Bhatgarh Dam area. Exact location, exact day, exact series for Western Ghats in monsoon. I see, because of this windy nature, a lot of waves are coming towards this shore. This is what the Bhatgarh Dam backwater. It's on the river Yalavanti and it's quite large actually. So I'm just returning back to my parking area. So I'll try to go over to the next location, which is called the Necklace Point in Ho region. It's a little bit of trek actually, kind of hike, not that difficult, but since it is raining, so the pathway is quite slippery, so I need to be careful. Yes, so finally I reached back to my vehicle and I'm just putting my backpack inside the car and I need to rush back to the next location, which is Necklace Point. तो हम पहुंच गए हैं Necklace Point area पे. This is on the main road itself. We just came from that road, which is coming from the Bhatgarh Dam backwater, Bhatgarh Dam area, and this road is going towards that National Highway 48. On the way I just stopped to have a glance of this beautiful Necklace Point. So अंदर जाते हैं, थोड़ा देख लेते हैं कैसा व्यू है.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away.
And this is what the Necklace View Point. और मेरे पीछे आपको दिख रहा है कि रिवर नीरा and river Gunjavani embracing each other, and that side actually we see that Bhatgarh Dam wall, and behind that Bhatgarh Dam backwater area जहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ देर पहले गए थे.
This is what we waited for. my hand, we'll make it somehow.
So this place is one of the best necklace viewpoint in the world. That's what it says, and really I feel so. And this place is quite famous during the sunrise and the sunset, and I am feeling fortunate enough to be here exactly during the sunset. और अचानक से बारिश स्टार्ट हो गई है यहाँ पे, and this place has become more serene, more beautiful. So see you in my next video, and thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this entire vlog. And if this vlog is helping you to come over this place and keeping this place in your wish list, definitely I request you to subscribe this channel, like, comment, share this video.
On the run, this is what we waited for.